Illustrious Labs project Illustrious North is supported by the Nordic Culture Fund. The project is addressing several topics, and particularly Topic 1, Fashion Design, Innovative Smart Illustrated Patterns for the Sustainable Fashion Sector, and Topic 4, Design for Education, New Illustration Practices based on Innovative Education Principles. Within this framework, one of our aims was to have children implementing activities related to the traditional way to create and manufacture clothes in order to set up a model helping to connect children with the meaning of what is a garment, where it comes from, how it is made and by who. The idea was also to show to children that simple pieces of clothes can be made by themselves with a little help from their relatives, and to become more familiar with natural dyes and especially their specific color tones. This knowledge seems essential as voices are rising against fast fashion and poor working conditions for employees in remote countries. Young generation must be able to reconnect with the past to clothes creation, from design to end products, in order to be conscious future consumers. Following this idea, we are testing different approaches with families from different countries in Europe and beyond. Sweden, France, Romania, Australia and Canada, and with children of different ages. We based the experimentation on existing Nordic illustrated books, carefully curated, that families receive at home. They go through the books and then implement various activities connected to the book's theme, proposed by us. We present here one of the experimentation implemented by a French family in Sweden, a girl aged 7 and her mother. The family received the digital ebook Otto Goes North by the Swedish author-illustrator Ulrika Kestere. A part of the book story is focused on the fact that a visitor coming from the south to visit his friends in Norway gets cold and needed a woolen jumper. The friends do everything possible to make one for him, using local natural resources, showing to the readers how woolen jumpers are made from A to Z. Once the book has been read several times, the activities are implemented at home with one parent, consisting of creating natural dyes with easy-to-find elements such as berries, onions, cabbage, turmeric, etc. The natural inks are prepared and experimentations are made, including dyeing of different materials such as fabric and wool. The overall objective of such a project is to promote Nordic illustrated books and materials able to present sustainable crafts to children from non-Nordic regions mostly, and invite them to go through experimentation, which is a way to ensure an efficient learning but also to educate parents as well. We are currently creating two specific tools, one called North at Home, which will help parents and families around the world to have access to these curated Nordic books, activities and materials, and another one called Circle Kids, Nordic Design Future for Children, which is a blog we have just launched presenting information and research about sustainability aspects for Nordic children products, toys, fashion, accessories, apparel, etc., in an accessible way that can be easily assimilated by readers. The activities related to natural dyes will continue and expand, introducing more natural materials to experiment with.